welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, thank you for clicking onto this video. I hope you click that subscribe button as well. I have no idea how this video is going to turn out. As you can see, I am in a different background. I'm in my kitchen because we are going to be testing Wish gadgets for the kitchen. Where else would I do it but in the kitchen? And this is like the only kind of like surfacey thing I have. Yeah, I have a very small kitchen, and to be able to get this so you can see what I'm doing as well as my face, it was very hard. It's very hard, I'll admit. I'm gonna work with what I got, okay? So this is a trial and error, okay? Trial and error. It'll be easier once I get my own place because I will make sure I have a better kitchen to work with. So as I just stated, I am going to be testing Wish gadgets. Recently I have been obsessed with Wish. I was very much like, nah, but I am a sucker for like a gadget. Like if something is like quirky or something like that, I will buy it. Like, I'm gonna be one of those annoying people that literally probably has a gadget for everything and will use it once. It's just who I am. I'm a hoarder and I like collecting things. Also, how creepy would it be if like a face just came up here? Unfortunately, the one thing I actually was really looking forward to have, and the reason why I kind of bought all this stuff, was for this. It is a kitchen accessory, convenient hand pressing vegetable fruit salad tool, DIY. Basically, it's a chopper. But look, it's broken. I will be buying another one because I really want this. But unfortunately, this one was a fail because it came broken. I have actually used this before because, oh no, it's leaking. Oh, the juices are leaking. What's that? I don't even know what this part is. Is that just to put it on? Well, isn't that genius? I did not even know it comes with a little stand for himself. Oh, isn't that cute? Okay, so what this is, as seen on TV according to the packaging. So this is a lemon juice sprayer. So this is what it looks like. So you basically put this part, screw it into the lemon or lime, and apparently it sprays. I can confirm it actually does work. Let me see if this one's got any juice left in it. Don't know if you can see that. Look at the mist! I don't know if you can see that, but how great is that? I've just now got lemon juice everywhere. I bought this for £1, and honestly I thought it was just a gimmick. I didn't think it would actually work, and it did. And when I did the first spray, I was like, oh my god. Like, I was so shocked that it had done it. Like, I don't know why, I just didn't think it would work. I mean, this would be good for salads. I use it when I'm like having to spray something on salmon or chicken to get like lemon in flavour. So this one is a hit. And no, everything's now sticky. So the next thing that I had got is this plastic packaging bag heat sealing machine. You can pick it in different colours. I got it for less than £1. It does need batteries. I've already put batteries in here because I'm a girl that came prepared for this video. So this is what it looks like. To me, it kind of looked like a stapler. It has the protection here and that, and it's also a magnet at the bottom. It takes, what batteries does it take? What batteries did I put in there? It takes 2 AA batteries. I thought that was pretty cool to be able to reseal something so it doesn't go stale. That sounds great to me. Fun fact about packet of crisps, this is so random, but if you look at the expiry date will always land on a Saturday on every packet of crisps regardless of the brand. So it comes with the protective thing. Put it down. I guess it just melts it, so do I like staple it or do I just... It didn't work. Okay, let me try again. Maybe I got like slide it. Slide it, I'm gonna slide it. Oh crap. It didn't work. Take 2. Maybe it needs to warm up. I don't know. Oh! Oh, it has! It did it! Oh, I sliced it though. I can smell burning. Oh! Oh, okay. Look, this has been cut off, right? So this has been chopped off or burnt off, but now this part has now sealed. It's a sealed back. We now have a resealed, apart from that little hole that I missed, packet of crisps. It worked. So, once you get the hang of it, I don't know if it's just because it needed to warm up, or I was just doing it wrong, but it worked. Not bad for £1. Stop stuffing your face, Dad. I'm now sticking it to my fridge. Okay, so the next thing I bought is a kitchen at home and everything for today living garlic chopper. And this, I paid £5 for it. However, at the moment it is free and you just pay shipping. And the shipping is £2. Okay, so this is what the device looks like. It's just a little pot. This is the lid where I guess you smush the garlic. And this little pot just slides right open and then you've got your garlic. There's also another bit here. So you've got a square version. Okay, so yeah, so then you're able to just lift this up and then I guess you can just swap this. And now I've got a slicey one instead of a square, and you literally just put this one at the bottom, ready to keep all into one place. So I think that's actually quite cool actually. So I'm gonna need some garlic. Come on, you stupid shell. The garlic is going into the smusher. Okay, lid is on and we are going to smush. That smushed every bit of garlic. This is freaking genius. That is now my garlic all chopped, all great. I am so impressed with it. I now have a pot of garlic. I now need to make something with garlic. That was so quick and easy, and you would definitely be able to put like more than one clove in there. I am impressed with this. £2. Mate, why am I so happy about a garlic crusher? God, you literally only turned 26 not that long ago. You're already an old biddy. Okay, so this item, I was actually super excited when I saw it. And it is a home microwave baked potato cooking bag. And I got it for £1. Yeah, basically it bakes potatoes in the microwave super quickly. Now, usually I do bake my potatoes in the microwave because I usually do it at work. But it usually takes me about 10 minutes to bake the potato. This claims to bake the potato in 4 minutes. It's called Potato Express and it's like a little blanket for it. So what it says, all the warnings are: do not use in a conventional oven. This is microwave use only. Do not heat in microwave for more than 4 minutes at a time. Do not heat on high. Do not heat in microwave without food. Do not expose to open flame. Do not leave microwave unattended when in use. Do not place Potato Express near a hot surface. Do not cook oily or fried potatoes. If your microwave has a turntable, make sure Potato Express can freely rotate during cooking to avoid scorching, which can lead to fire if left unattended. Oh dear God, there is no one in the house. I am going to cause a fire. If microwave does not have a turntable, carefully turn potato bag over midway. So the instructions is you can place 1 to 4 washed potatoes into the Potato Express, then close the flap. Place the Potato Express in the microwave and cook for 4 minutes. Carefully remove Potato Express from the microwave, then carefully remove the potatoes. Enjoy. Then it says cooking times may vary on microwave power output and other factors. If needed, cook for additional 1 minute increments to achieve perfect results. I'ma have a baked potato for my dinner tonight. Okay, let's wash the baked potato. Okay, I'm gonna try it with 1 potato. Let's not overdo it because we don't want to start a fire here. I am literally going to just plop it in. Okay, so it said not to put it on full, like high. So I'm gonna put it on 80. So with me, how you can do 180, blah, blah, blah. I'm gonna put it on 80, so it's the next one below. My microwave is also 700 watts. Okay, it doesn't say if it has to be like flat down or flat up. I'm gonna put it flat up. So power level 80 and 4 minutes. Start. Oh no! We've become to our first error. It won't spin. I don't know what to do to solve this situation. Okay, so my microwave, it is quite a large bag, and for my microwave, it was stopping turning. It was actually like getting crushed into one side. I don't want to be no fire starter, okay? So I've now folded the bag in half because there's quite a lot of space, because obviously I haven't got a lot of potatoes in there, so I folded it so that there is no fire, smoke or smelling of anything that could be burning. The bag is wet. I don't know if that's just from the potato and the steam, but it's come out wet. It's not hot to touch, like it's not scalding. Let's see what my potato say. My potato is hot. How do I know if a jacket potato is cooked? Not gonna lie, it feels cooked. Like, it's not hard at all. I'll be honest, that feels cooked. But because my microwave isn't that strong, Look at me looking like a crazy person with my knife. Let's put you down. I'm gonna put it in for an extra minute. Get the shit out of me. Be careful because it's very hot. It's definitely soft. You know what? I've got a cooked baked potato in 5 minutes. Well, technically 4. I was just probably being a bit overconscious. The skin isn't like overly soggy. Like, you know how when you can do stuff in the microwave, it goes super soggy? But look at that! It's a cooked potato! That is so handy to have. Oh my god, I'm going to be rinsing that out. So this works as well. I'm actually so impressed. Overall, I am really impressed so far with all of these Wish gadgets, considering I paid £1 for majority of this stuff and it all worked. Nothing didn't work apart from the broken one. So nothing was like a gimmick and it didn't work. I'm really impressed and I will definitely be buying more unneeded gadgets for my kitchen. So if you like these kind of testing videos and you like me to try out more stuff, then please give this video a thumbs up so I know, and comment down below any kind of weird gadgets that you have that you like live by or you think that I would love. Let me know in the comments below, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and I shall see you next time. Bye!